The reason for getting a shade system was to add value to the facility that we already had, but had limited use to due to the climate and weather that we have in Auckland, 4 seasons in one day. So this will now give us an all-purpose, all-year-round facility. So we went through a tender process to select the final contractor, and Shade Systems came through as the best candidate in every category that we were looking at. It was very smooth sailing from our part as a busy school, a very large school. There were a couple of challenges, a national challenge of COVID, which we'd only just got underway with the project, so that put a halt on it. And then during that time there was some heavy rain which filled up the holes, which had to be excavated, and extra strengthening put in because of it. The Shade system has absolutely delivered what we were looking for from the community perspective, and for our students here at school, and for our health and PE program and co-curricular program, plus other entities that are making inquiries for what we've undertaken. I would absolutely recommend Shade Systems to other communities and other schools, and I have done so already, in fact to project managers of other schools. I think because the process was so easy, they were dedicated, they worked really well with their communication processes with the school, which makes it very smooth for all parties. We thank Shade Systems for what they have delivered. Our community and our school is better for it, so thank you.